Right, hello, it's Mr. Simons here. Here's your first lesson on identities. We're going to do them as variations. In this one, we'll just look at finding products. Now, in short, an identity is simply a mathematical statement that is true for all values of the variable, excluding the values for which the statement is not defined, dividing by 0, etc. So in short, explain it in simple English, we have to make the left-hand side look like the right-hand side. Linkerhand kant moet soos die regterhand kant lyk, né? Le, van le, né? Ja, lekker. Okay, so they've given us number 1. I have sine theta plus cos theta squared must equal 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Right, so first things we do, we solve one side, and one side we solve till we can get to what we have on the right hand side. If we get to a point and we can't go further, it's not the same as that, then we work on the right hand side till the right hand side and the left hand side looks the same. So here, left hand side, sine theta times sine theta would give me sine squared theta. Very important, when you square a binomial, remember two terms. There's a middle term there, don't forget the middle term. So for the middle term, I say sine theta times cos theta times 2. That gives me 2 sine theta cos theta. The cos theta times itself would give me cos squared theta. Right, and then I've rewritten it for you, so you can see sine squared plus cos squared theta. That there I've left the same, so that's 2 sine theta cos theta, because that's already given on the right hand side. So you should know sine squared plus cos squared according to the square identity equal 1. So that becomes then 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. And now my left hand side is equal to my right hand side, and we have validated and proved the identity. You look at problem number 2. Again, we're squaring a binomial sin x plus cos x. There's sin x minus cos x, and we must get 2. So sin x times sin x gives me sin squared x. Right, so we multiply out sin x times sin x, sin squared x. For the middle term, sin x times cos x, which is sin x cos x, times 2, which then becomes 2 sin x cos x. Cos x times cos x becomes cos squared x. For this side, sin x times sin squared x. Sin x times negative cos x gives me negative sin x cos x, times 2, which gives me negative 2 sin x cos x. Right? Negative times negative, positive. Cos x times cos x, cos squared x. 2 sin x cos x minus 2 sin x cos x, they cancel. So I'm left with sin squared plus cos squared x, sin squared plus cos squared x. According to the square identity, sin squared plus cos squared is 1. Sin squared plus cos squared, 1. 1 plus 1 gives me 2. So I hope you follow. If you're enjoying the lesson, you like, please like, share. Most of all, subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you can stay up to date with all the updates I will be posting. Alright, problem number 3. I have cos x, 1 plus tan squared x, and that must equal 1 over cos x. So if I start on the left hand side, cos x times 1 gives me cos x. Cos x times tan squared x gives me cos x. Tan squared x can be written as sin squared x over cos squared x according to the quotient identity. Right? So here I have cos x. See there my bottom there? Cos x and cos squared x would become cos x sin squared over cos x. To add this fraction to the cos x there, I have to bring in a cos x at the bottom, so I'm multiplying cos x over cos x. So cos x times cos x gives me cos squared x. 1 times cos x gives me cos x. See, by doing that, the denominators look the same. So on top now I have cos squared plus sin squared. Cos squared plus sin squared is 1. Denominator stays the same, so I have 1 over cos x. So I hope you follow and understand. Let's look at the last problem. In problem number 4, we have 2 sin x minus cos x, 2 sin x plus cos x equal 5 sin squared x minus 1. Right, so there you should see difference of two squares. We have the same items in both brackets, but one is negative and the other one positive. That means I multiply first term by first term, last term by last term. So 2 times 2 give me 4. Sine times sine, sine squared x. Negative times positive, negative. Cos times cos, cos squared x. Cos squared x can be written as 1 minus sine squared x. Alright, so I have 4 sine squared x. If I multiply, negative 1, negative times negative, positive sine squared x. 4 plus 1 sine squared x will give me 5 sine squared x minus 1, which equal my right hand side. Hope you enjoy the lesson. Continue practicing. Wish you nothing but the best. I know you're just going to get better and better if you're already watching this video.